Hello, hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Harika. So first of all, this is the first video I am putting out on this new year 2025. I wish you all a very happy new year. I believe everyone had a great start already. On every new year we have some or other resolutions, right? So in this new year, if you wanted to start something new, if you want to learn something new, then definitely I would suggest about automation ops. So if you want to learn automation ops, I'm actually introducing this series on automation ops. So what is automation ops? Basically, any organization have a set of governance, rules and policies, right? So when you're working as an organization, there will be all these governance policies. If you want to deploy those policies, automation ops is one such component of UiPath platform which helps you to create these policies, to deploy those and to maintain them. So when you are deploying those, where you can actually deploy. So when you are working as in the RPA industry, we are mainly looking and developing projects using Studio X, and we are running them through Assistant, right? So you can deploy these policies across 3 different products of the UiPath, which is Studio X and Assistant. So how do we actually create them, deploy them and maintain them? How do we actually define those policies? These are the contents that you will be learning as a part of this series. And adding to that, I also want to mention, so whenever you're deploying these policies, it's not just about a user specific. So how do you deploy these policies? In RPA, in Orchestrator, we have different concepts. Like we have concepts of tenant, we have concepts of how you can apply these policies across the groups, how you can apply these policies to a specific user, right? So how do you actually deploy and apply these policies at very granular level, because one user can be a part of multiple groups as well, right? So how do you actually do this is something I'm going to drive through this particular series. So if you have already watched my channel, you will know that I drive all the videos on my channel which are mostly hands-on and also gives you a very good understanding through demos. So this series I'm going to cover all of these particular concepts. If I have to just give you a very quick high level understanding about what governance policies looks like, so here I just made a note of few rules to just give you a small quick understanding, basic idea about it. So basically in any organization, if they don't want to automate certain applications or websites, so those kind of applications or websites which are not supposed to automate, but if still user is trying to automate, you can restrict those through your governance policies by using automation ops. And if there are certain restrictions with respect to what packages should be used. So today, if you see in the cloud, there are you can access the marketplace packages, a lot of things, right? So you can restrict what packages are accessible by the users. So you can also ensure what are the different practices that developers are doing in order to maintain the secure password. So we always use certain type of activities like get credentials and all of that in order to ensure that the password is maintained securely, and how the configuration file has to be, how the assets has to be maintained. All these policies we ensure that they are there. And organization wide, every organization will have their own set of best practices. So you can also apply the best practices through workflow analyzer rules, right? So how these all policies can be worked on, how they can be deployed, how they can be created is something that I'm going to drive in this particular series. And this new year, you are going to learn something new through this particular series called Automation Ops. And if you are excited, then I would recommend this product is a must go and must learn, because any organization governance plays equal amount of importance like how your implementation plays. So do not miss out any videos on my channel, as I promised you that I'll be coming up with at least one video per week on this series until we finish up this series. So do not miss out any of the videos. You know the drill, hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell. So as soon as I release the video, you'll have the video upon the channel. So thank you so much for watching, and if you find this video useful, do let me know in the comments and also share across your friends.